This movie show how to change your clicky for your L2P. Yeah. First of all, this is your L2P original clicky. We have to take the inner switch out using some tools just like this one, and screwdriver, and screw the ring. Screw this ring out. Oh, and then keep this part. The other part you can set away. Then move the reverse clicky. Put the reverse kick to this circle and fix it. Second, put a tab in the kick, and also put the switch in the kick. Please push it halfly because it's very tight, but you can make it for sure. You can see that we used to do some. Okay, finally you can put it in the bottom, and then we use the O-ring, screw it back to the kick. And you can see you can finally make it. Okay. Thank you.